Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my first video after 2023. Wishing you all a very happy new year. Today's session is very important and interesting because new pattern has been arrived for second PUC board examination, and biology board examination new pattern I will be explaining in this whole session. Kindly watch the video till end so that you can perform well and score 70 on 70. So let us start with the session. Firstly, I'll be explaining you distribution of marks chapter wise for the new pattern. Totally, we have 5 units in second PUC biology. That is unit 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Unit 6 contains 4 chapters. That is chapter number 1, reproduction in organisms, sexual reproduction in flowering plants, chapter number 3, human reproduction, chapter number 4, reproductive health. Unit number 6 consists of 28 marks totally. As I've already told you, Unit 6 consists of 4 chapters. So, chapter number 1, 5 marks has been allotted. Chapter number 2, 9 marks. Chapter number 3, 9 marks. Chapter number 4, 5 marks. Next, Unit number 7, unit-wise marks allotted totally is 28 marks. And it consists of 3 chapters, very important chapters. Chapter number 5, Principles of Inheritance and Variation, 11 marks has been allotted. Chapter number 6, Molecular Basis of Inheritance, 11 marks has been allotted. Chapter number 7, Evolution, 6 marks has been allotted. So totally this unit consists of 28 marks. Next, moving on to unit number 8, and total marks allotted to this unit is 24 marks. Chapter number 8, Human Health and Disease, the marks allotted here is 9. Chapter number 9, Strategies for Enhancement in Food Production, the marks allotted here is 9. And chapter number 10, Microbes in Human Welfare, marks allotted here is 6 marks. So unit number 8 consists of totally 24 marks. Unit number 9, and this unit consists of 12 marks, and there are only 2 chapters, that is chapter number 11, Biotechnology Principles and Processes, which consist of 7 marks, and chapter number 12, Biotechnology and its Applications, which consist of 5 marks. So totally the marks allotted for this unit is 12 marks. Coming to the last unit, that is unit number 10, and the marks allotted for this unit is 23 marks, and totally there are 4 chapters. Chapter number 13, Organisms and Populations, and the marks allotted here is 7. 14th chapter, Ecosystem, marks allotted here is 6 marks. Chapter number 15, Biodiversity and Conservation, marks allotted here is 3. Chapter number 16, Environmental Issues, marks allotted here is 7. So the total marks allotted for this unit is 23. If you see on the screen, the total unit-wise marks allotted will be 115 marks. Now focusing on the unit-wise weightage. Unit number 6, Reproduction, the marks weightage given here is 28 marks. Unit number 7, Genetics and Evolution, the marks weightage given here is 28 marks. Unit number 8, Biology and Human Welfare, marks allotted here is 24 marks. Unit number 9, Biotechnology, marks weightage given here is 12 marks. And unit number 10, Ecology, marks weightage given here is 23 marks. My dear students, very important, unit number 6 and unit number 7, 28 marks weightage is seen on the screen. So kindly focus on this chapter little bit more. Out of 115 marks, the knowledge based questions asked here will be 40%, that is around 46 marks. Understanding based questions will be asked in the question paper around 30%, that is 35 marks. Application based questions will be only 15%, that is 17 marks. These questions will be slighter tough, so the percentage will be always lesser. Skill based questions will be like diagrams of flowchart. It will be only 15% again, and 17 marks is allotted to this skill based questions in the question paper. Now let us see total number of questions like 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark and 5 mark arising from these units. From unit 6, 1 mark questions will be 6. Unit 7, 1 mark questions will be 4. Unit 8, 1 mark questions will be 3. Unit 9, 1 mark questions will be 2. From Unit 10, 1 mark questions will be 5. Moving on to 2 mark questions from each unit. Unit number 6, 3 questions of 2 mark will be asked. Unit number 7, 4 questions will be asked. Unit number 8, nil. Unit number 9, nil. Unit number 10, 1 2 mark questions will be asked. Next, moving on to 3 mark questions from each unit. Unit number 6, 2 questions will be asked. Unit number 7, 2 questions will be asked. Unit number 8, 2 questions will be asked. Unit number 9, nil. Unit number 10, 2 questions will be asked. Moving on to 5 mark questions from each unit. Unit number 6, 2 questions. Unit number 7, 2 questions. Unit number 8, 3 questions. Unit number 9, 2 questions. And unit number 10, 2 questions. In the question paper, totally 1 mark questions will be asked is 20 questions. 2 mark questions will be 8 questions. 3 mark questions will be 8. And 5 mark questions will be totally 11 questions. Totally, the question paper is made up of 115 marks new pattern question paper. So here is an sample of the question paper so you can understand how an question paper can arise in your examination point of view. So my dear students, the time allotted will be the same, 3 hours 15 minutes, and even if it is 115 marks the question paper, you have to attempt for 70 marks. Now my dear students, you have to focus on the general instructions as a slide changes. 1. The question paper consists of 4 parts A, B, C and D. 2. Part A consists of 1 and 2 and part D consists of 5 and 6. 3. All the parts are compulsory. 4. Draw diagrams wherever necessary. Unable diagrams or illustrations do not attract any marks. Now let us look into each part. First one, part A. Select the correct alternative from the choices given below and 15 questions will be asked. All the 15 questions you have to answer. From part A, that is 15 questions are also MCQ questions or multiple choice questions. This will train you, my dear students, in the new question paper pattern for the competitive type of examinations. Let us see question number 1. Which of the following organism exhibits estrous cycle? And they have given 4 options and you have to write any one correct option. Okay. See, you can see on the screen different questions and the choices given. So totally 15 MCQ questions for 1 mark will be given in part A. So from part A, section 1 is completed. Now moving on to section 2. Section 2 is fill in the blanks by choosing the appropriate words or words from those given below. Here 5 questions will be asked for 1 mark. And this is easy, my dear students, because answers will be already provided. You have to read the question properly and guess the term and write it down. Moving on to next part, that is part B, Roman number 3. Answer any 5 of the following questions in 3 to 5 sentences each wherever applicable. So this part B will be asked for 2 marks. And how many questions will be given? 8 questions will be given and you have to write only 5 or any 5. Next, moving on to part C, that is Roman number 4. Answer any 5 of the following questions in about 40 to 80 words each wherever applicable. And totally 8 questions will be asked, but you have to answer any 5 and these questions will be asked for 3 marks only. Moving on to the last part in the question paper, that is part D, which has 2 sections, Roman number 5 and Roman number 6. In Roman number 5, answer any 3 of the following questions in about 200 to 250 words each wherever applicable. So these questions are for 5 marks and totally in Roman number 5, there are 6 questions which has been asked, but you have to answer any 3. And last section from part D, that is Roman number 6, answer any 2 of the following questions in about 200 to 250 words each wherever applicable. These questions are for 5 marks and totally 5 questions will be asked from which you have to answer any 2. I hope this video was useful to you. Do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned for such videos. All the best, my dear students, for the coming board examinations 2023. Good luck.